Hello, I'm Alexander from René of Paris, celebrity stylist and wig specialist. So you're joining me today in my kitchen, and what have I got to do today? I would like to show you a very easy put up. So this is a pre-curled wig. This is Dominique from the Fair Fashion range. So I've put a little bit of bend in the ends, this kind of beachy curl kind of bend there. And I want to show you how to put this up. So a lot of my clients who are wig wearers, they've often turned around to me and said, look Alex, I've got a wedding coming up, I've got a night out, I really want to wear my wig up. Is this possible? Okay, yes it is possible. And I'm going to show you a really easy up start. Over here I've got my equipment. I've got a back combing comb, got a wide tooth comb with a little prong on the end, a pintail comb, my trusty René of Paris brush, which is amazing. I never leave home without it, so to speak. And all I need product wise is a Bosley professional hairspray, non-aerosol hairspray. These are bun rings, some people call them donuts. Taken another donut, I've put some bobby pins, dark ones there, some large gold ones, some fine pins and some large pins, so a selection. So I have all those ready for me. At home guys, you could just get a clamp and clamp it on the side. I've got a tripod, I've used little T-pins in the side, just through the actual holes in the mesh, just to secure the wig. If you don't feel comfortable with that, just be a bit more delicate and then it won't move around. Ear to ear, I'm going to take a section. So that's a section like so. So now we're left with just this back section. I'm going to take another section here and put that out the way. Just very gently. I'm going to take the hair tie and I'm going to pop that in the hair. So it's important when you're working with wigs that we don't go necessarily too tight, because what you'll want to do is take this off your head and then secure it back onto your own head. I'm going to put in here first the bun ring, and then I can move those hairs out and make it much softer, but for now we're just going to grip this to the base of the wig. So I'm just taking these grips. I like to open the grips just on my thumb. I'm just going to get these two pieces of hair, wrap them and shake that a little bit. See all that gorgeous detail coming through. And what we're going to do, we're going to just wrap that in really nice. Put a few of these securing pins in. I'm going to take the next section, which is from the crown, run that through, positioned. So now I'm going to put a grip into here, a couple of securing pins, just pop that in place. Okay, lovely. And just with this wide tooth comb, and if you feel you're getting too much tension, just use this or your fingers. You know, we're not doing anything that's really hard, but this will look like you've been in the salon for a long time getting this done by a master stylist. But you know, you can take your time, have fun. Hair is about having fun and experimenting, you know. So now we see that gorgeous kind of shape coming together. We've got a lace front wig, so we can afford to have some little pieces out a little bit and take it off the face. So I'm just going to separate this first one, twist this hair nice and gentle, and then lay the hair over the top. You know, twisting hair is a great way to put up if you've not been, you know, used to a lot of up styling. You can kind of twist hairs into place and it kind of just gives you a bit better grip on the actual hair. On this side, split this over, and I'm going to pop this one right over here. So we're building everything to that bun. Everything to that bun. And that is your your anchor. So right now, the hair's like this, coming in like this, like this, like this. So we've got a lot going on, but still a lot to work through. Pull this front off the face, really good. Okay, and then take this hair here. Nice big long strong grip there. There we go. It's beautiful. Bringing my fingers just round and giving it a soft, much softer middle part. So this is very, very on trend right now. These kind of boho areas where it's coming back and then floating back a little bit. So if you are a little bit cautious of showing the edges, this is a great way. And you put it in a bit tighter first, then loosen it up a little bit. So for the final pieces of dressing, I'm going to come in with this comb right here. And clean this up. Now we've got the initial shape in there, we're now just personalising our style a little bit. You know, think of it like you're making a sculpture. You know, you're sculpturing and just exactly where you want it to be. So if you want to dress it up a little bit more, we can use some flowers. So scatter a few of these little fresh flowers in there. Fresh flowers just, you know, they just work good, just amazing in hair. So timeless. Okay, so finally, just going to set that hair in. Here we have our nice summer festival look. That's just the lace we could see in there. From a nice little side parting, taking the hair through here, popped in those flowers, all that detail through there. Look at that. Gorgeous. Gorgeous. The hair's nice and soft, just running in. There she goes, look. A festival chic, gorgeous hairstyle. Please follow us. Please like our YouTube channel. Please watch us on Instagram. Look at all our Facebooks. Look at all our feeds. René of Paris and Aderans. Thank you. I'm Alexander Turnbull. See you next time.